Discover the top 3 awesome AI tools for creators. Are you a content creator looking to take your creations to the next level? Say hello to the future with these mind-blowing AI tools. (123RF). Unleash the power of your imagination with 123RF's cutting-edge AI tools. Discover a world of creativity with AI search, AI image generation, and AI image variation, empowering you to generate truly unique and captivating images like never before. Unlike other image stock platforms, 123RF's AI features take your creative process to new heights. Subscribing or using credits unlocks the incredible AI image variation, enabling you to remix 123RF premium images and create visuals that perfectly match your individual style and vibe. Elevate your projects and stand out with the boundless possibilities offered by 123RF's AI-powered image generation. 123RF's AI search, AI image generation, and AI image variation are tech-savvy tools that streamline and level up your creative process. 123RF's AI features are next level compared to what you get from other image stock platforms. Subscribing or using credits on 123RF unlocks the awesome AI image variation feature, letting you remix 123RF premium images to suit your unique vibe. 123RF's AI search, a pioneering, industry-transforming feature that offers an unprecedentedly efficient, intelligent, and intuitive way to search for images, vectors, and videos. AI Image Generator. 123RF's Image Generator is an AI-powered service that allows users to generate unique images for their personal or commercial needs. This service is designed to cater to the creative needs of businesses, designers, and marketers who require high-quality, unique visuals for their projects. Designs.ai. Designs.ai is a trailblazing platform at the forefront of revolutionizing content creation through the power of artificial intelligence. Unlike ChatGPT, it offers a comprehensive and personalized suite of tools to enhance the content creation process. With its AI writer, users can effortlessly generate captivating content using pre-made prompts, while the AI-powered video maker simplifies video creation with remarkable ease. Positioned as a pioneering leader in the field, Designs.ai showcases the future of content creation, where the seamless integration of AI technology is set to redefine and elevate creative possibilities. Designs.ai is revolutionizing the content creation process with its AI-powered suite of tools. Compared to ChatGPT, Designs.ai provides more comprehensive and tailored solutions for content creation, including an AI writer with pre-made prompts and an AI-powered video maker for easy video creation. The future of content creation lies in the utilization of artificial intelligence. Designs.ai is a leader in this space. Pixlr. Introducing Pixlr, the ultimate free online photo editor and design tool infused with the power of AI. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, Pixlr empowers you to effortlessly edit photos and craft awe-inspiring designs directly within your web browser, on your smartphone or desktop, all for free. Begin your creative journey from scratch with an empty canvas, an existing photo, or even a video, or simply select from our collection of expertly crafted templates to bring your vision to life with ease. Unleash your imagination and experience the seamless blend of art and technology with Pixlr today. Join our AI community today by hitting that subscribe button and becoming a valued member of our channel. Together, we'll explore the endless possibilities of AI, share insights, and discuss groundbreaking developments that will shape the world of tomorrow. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest releases and never miss a moment of AI wonder.